Hello and welcome to the Paper Cup Travel. Today we are in Leamington, Ontario, on the shores of Lake Erie. I'm just out here for a long weekend and heard that there may be some glowing rocks on the beaches here. So I've come out with a black light I got off of Amazon, and it's actually quite early morning. It's about 5:30 a.m. It's very calm. The winds are calm. The waves are calm, and we're gonna just stroll along the beach with the black light and see if we can find anything that lights up. I'm gonna turn off the flashlight and turn on the black light. There we go. And the black light is on. Just gonna see if anything lights up. Look at that. If anybody has any comments as to what this is, feel free. Let's see. Quite nice. Wow. You guys see that? That is quite beaming. That looks like a piece of uranium glass. You guys have to let me know in the comments what that is. That really stood out. Take a look at the moon. Also, if you do happen to make your way down to Leamington, it's quite nice. You have Point Pelee National Park here in Canada. It is the most southern tip of the mainland. And it's actually quite nice walking out on the sand spit. Thank you for joining me on a quick beach walk in the early morning in Leamington, Ontario. As always, if you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment.